Hey there, Manager SE users. Scott here from FinditParts, and I'm excited to share something that'll make your heavy-duty repair jobs a whole lot easier. You know, as part of the Mitchell1 family, you now have access to the largest medium and heavy-duty parts catalog out there, FinditParts. Yep, that's right. America's vast supply of OEM and aftermarket parts for commercial vehicles is now right at your fingertips, all within your Mitchell1's Manager SE platform. No more juggling between different websites or making endless phone calls to track down that one elusive part. Everything you need for any heavy-duty repair is just a few clicks away. Sounds pretty great, doesn't it? So let's dive in and get you set up with FinditParts in your Manager SE software. Trust me, you're going to love how seamless this makes your workflow. All right, let's get started. Now, first things first, we need to enable the FinditParts catalog in your software. Before getting started, make sure you are on the Manager SE home splash screen to be able to toggle on the FinditParts catalog. In the top menu, go ahead and navigate to Configurations, then hover over Special Maintenance and click on Toggle Catalog Availability. A list of catalogs will appear. Scroll down until you find FinditParts Catalog. Once you find it, toggle the availability switch to On. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom to confirm your changes. Next up, we need to add FinditParts as a vendor. Go back to the menu bar and navigate to Configurations and select Vendor Setup. In the Vendor Setup window that pops up, click Add. Select FinditParts and fill out the form fields. For vendor code, you can put FIP and input your contact information to keep things organized. With that done, click on Setup Link to connect your vendor profile with the FinditParts catalog. Now, if you already have a FinditParts account, simply log in with your credentials and click OK. A quick tip, if you haven't set up a default payment method yet, or if you're interested in corporate billing, give the friendly folks at FinditParts a call at 888-312-8812, or fill out the billing form on the FinditParts landing page. New to FinditParts? No worries. Just click on Register to create a new account. Fill out the registration form with your details. Awesome. You should now see the FinditParts catalog button at the bottom of your Manager SE screen. That means you're all set up and ready to start ordering parts. And now that we've got everything enabled and linked up, let's walk through how to actually purchase parts using FinditParts within Manager SE. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder to ensure your billing information is set up. If you haven't done this yet, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to FinditParts customer support. Orders won't be processed unless billing information is submitted. Number 1, adding items to your FinditParts cart. From an active work order, click on the FinditParts punch-out button at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the FinditParts Pro interface right within your software. It's pretty convenient, huh? In the search bar, enter the part number or keyword for the part you're looking for. Browse through the results and locate the item you need. Now be sure to select your preferred fulfillment warehouse to optimize shipping times. Once you've got the right part, click on Add to Cart. And if you're ready to wrap things up, click on the cart icon in the top left corner of the interface. Here you can select your desired shipping option based on what works best for you. When everything looks good, click on Proceed to Checkout. Back in the Manager SE order view, you'll now see the parts you've ordered from FinditParts listed along with any other parts in the order. To finalize everything, proceed just like you would with any other vendor. Click on Parts Ordering in the menu. For peace of mind, you might want to click Price Check to verify the latest pricing. When you're ready, click on Order Parts. You'll get a confirmation indicating that the parts have been ordered. Click OK to exit out of the screen, and you're all set. See? Piece of cake. You've just streamlined your parts ordering process without even leaving Manager SE. By integrating FinditParts, you've got the power of America's largest medium and heavy-duty parts catalog right at your fingertips. Less time hunting for parts means more time getting those vehicles back on the road, and that's a win for everyone. If you have any questions or need a hand with anything, don't hesitate to reach out to the FinditParts team at 888-312-8812. They're always ready to help. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching.